In this video, we are going to see that if you are trying to create a new page on your Facebook profile and you click on this create page option and it shows you this message, an error occurred while creating the page, please ensure that you are following the page policies. So let's see a quick solution on how you can resolve this. First of all, on your Facebook profile, just click on the settings and privacy and click on the settings again. Just leave it for now, or you can open it on a new Facebook. Click on it, click on settings and privacy and click on settings. And from here on the left hand corner, you will see this account center. Just click on see more in account center. From here, we head over to the personal details. And from here, we will select identity confirmation. And once you click on this, it will ask you to verify or confirm your identity. Click on get started. And you will select this option, running ads about social issues, elections and politics. You will choose your relevant country here. Click on get started. It will show you, are you sure that you want to confirm your identity? Click yes to continue. And from here, it will show you these two options, have a form notarized or upload your ID. I'll just choose that. Click next. And from here, I'll just click on browse photos, click next. And whatever you have available like passport, driving license, national ID card or marriage certificate, I'll just choose national ID card because I have this. So let's click on upload. And here we have the front. Make sure you take the picture from your camera and then transfer it over Google Drive or send it to email. Don't just upload it on WhatsApp because it will reduce the pixels. Click on submit. So this is how you do it. Just wait for 48 hours or 2 days to complete the identity confirmation. And meanwhile, if you are using a fresh profile, fresh Facebook profile, you must make it active just by liking the videos or commenting on some of the pictures, adding some friends so that it can be considered as a regular profile. Also add your friends on your Facebook profile. Just chat with them a little, watch some videos. Till 3 days, you have to make your Facebook as active as possible. And after that, you can simply create the page. And moreover, in future, you will not face this problem. This is only the problem for the new Facebook profile. So that's the only thing that you need to do. Just make some kind of history for your Facebook profile. And after that, you can simply create the page whatever you want and you will not face this problem again. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next one.